How to fix Messenger call sound problem. Welcome everyone. If you have call sound problem on your Messenger, we will fix it right now. Easy and quick, so let's learn how to do it. The first step, you should open the settings of your mobile phone. Click on the apps option and right now search for Messenger. Click Messenger like that. You will find right now this list of options. Go click add storage. Click right now clear cache. And back, click on force stop and click OK. So go to permission. You will find these options here, give it access and go to Play Store, update your Messenger, restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.